Now, firstly, we're gonna draw our character. I'll just open Clip Studio Paint here and just make a simple sketch like now, this is our character. Firstly, we're gonna click here, create a character, and we're gonna write the name. I mean, Arden the Herbalist is alright for me right now. I didn't think any surname, so this would work. Now, the grading part. You should explain your character's wording here. So, we're gonna just write... He will be a friendly person who gets along with everyone, so I want him to have a warm wording. I feel like he could say dear, maybe. In my mind, he is someone who lives in forests, so his wording should be a little bit gothic. I think this could work. I'm not doing public yet because we have a lot of work. Now, after doing these things, we're gonna click Edit Details. And let's choose the image we drew. Now, for the short description part, you should use a couple of words and you should describe your character so clearly. So I'm gonna write friendly. These words are important because this will be a barrier to your character. I will write nature lover, friendly nature lover, kind, and a little bit awkward. Now for the long description part, you should write the most important things about your character. Don't give too much unnecessary detail. Shabby, really? I don't think so, but alright. Well, this is enough description. Now, I don't select a category because I have no idea. Well, he is my original character, so let's pass this part. Now, we have a lot of work in here, in this area. For this, firstly we're gonna save our character. You can find our characters here in your profile. This is my first trial. Tufan Yankı, he's a character in my comic book. And there's him, Arden the Herbalist. Now I'm wondering why the picture didn't show up. I'm just gonna make the picture save again with paint. Paint is a literal savior times like this. Now maybe it could work right now. Yep, it works now. So firstly, we're gonna click Insert a Chat with Arden the Herbalist. In this section, we're gonna do some example chats and we're gonna edit the answers. First, start with basics like hi. That is magic. I really love AI. Now, he's already like a person we described. But we're gonna make him better. We're gonna give him more detail. Now, I like his wording, but I don't want him to use too much emojis. I don't know, it's my personal thing, I don't like them. But before we go to the editing, let's chat some more. Now, this is the first mistake. He is not an amateur. Amateur or amateur? I don't know. He didn't say he lives in forest, but this information is necessary, so I'm gonna ask it, and next I'm gonna edit his answer. Now this is pretty good. We're gonna click next, and then from this part we're gonna edit the messages. First I'm gonna delete the emojis because I have no idea, I don't like them. Now I'm gonna delete the first message too because it's unnecessary. Now, my force is a good wording, he would say that. Yeah, he would offer two, that's a good one too. Now, this is way too warm, I mean, I want him to be friendly but not that much, so I'll change it. This is better. Now, this is too needy, I don't want it, I don't like it. How can I change this? Knowing or meeting? I don't know. Meeting, knowing. There is nothing better than meeting new people. There is nothing better than knowing new people. Learning. There is nothing better than learning new people. Now, he's humble, so he won't say I'm a pro herbalist, but he won't say amateur too. I'm an herbalist, that's better. Now, in this part, we're gonna give AI more information about our character. So, he has a tea shop. We're gonna add it here. And I know I write this word incorrect. Oh, it was correct. I'm perfect, alright. Now, this is pretty. We're gonna save it and just make another example chat here. The same question again because I wonder what changed. Now, that's a cool answer. You have to rate the answers here because it will give AI more information about the answers and it will learn. I will tell this helpful and funny. I don't know what let's means. Well, could be. Now, this is actually a cool feature, I like it. Even though I didn't think of it now. That is the scary part of AI. It knows more than you, it's weird. But I really like this. No, he's not shy. And you can also change answers here, but I'm happy with this answer, so I won't do it yet. My camera keeps moving. Just stay still. Now, with this question, the answer I want to see is the bird one. I wonder will he talk about his birds? Yes, he talked about it. Great. Because when I was doing my first character here, I could never make him talk about his pets. It was so bothering, I mean, he has cat and he didn't talk about it at all. I always keep asking, do you have any pets? Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets? But he didn't say I have a cat. That was really annoying, and I'm relieved here. He talked about his birds. This is a perfect characterization. I mean, I really like it. Now, I will ask another question. I wonder his hobbies. I mean, I didn't write his hobbies, but will AI can guess it? Because I have no idea right now. I mean, I'm doing it randomly. But what will AI think? Yes, reading, of course. Collecting berries, that's cute. Talking with animals, this is so him. Technology just keeps fascinating me. You know what? That would be cute if he play a bamboo flute. I will now. This chat is enough here. I will click next and then give some more detail about him. He's not shy, firstly. And he wouldn't say I am awkward, I mean, he doesn't know it. The way he mentioned that Force is a great companion is a good wording. Companion, he would definitely say that. I mean, in my mind, he was always smiling, like, softly, and AI understand that so well. Yes, he would love fairy tales. I didn't talk about that, but of course, again, AI can guess it pretty well. Yes, this is a great answer. This is so perfect. I have nothing to change here. Now, he will play a side flute or a bamboo flute. Now, in the third part, we need information about what he likes, what he dislikes, what kind of person he loves. We need a little more characteristic here. So we're gonna ask questions about them. For example, what kind of person do you like? Yes, patient, a good wording. That's a great answer. I mean, there is nothing to edit here. That's so scary. No, and I will ask what he usually like. This is an important question to AI understand your characters, like it didn't understand already. But I feel like my camera moved again. I hate you. What kind of person you usually? Now I should ask his future plans. That's an important character trait too. This is a good one. It needs more detail, but we're gonna fix that. Now another question, love interest. Kind people, yes, this is such a wholesome answer. Now these answers are already perfect. He is just like what was in my mind. But he needs a more deeper character. This is too simple. For that we're gonna ask some more tricky questions, but first we should fix that. We're gonna edit this part more and more in the future because he needs a lot of personality. He needs to be deeper. But firstly we're gonna chat him more because more you chat with your characters, they become more deeper. Now we're gonna just chat with him, you know. Gives up a cup of tea, that's so cute. Alright, this is going pretty good right now. I'm gonna change the subject. Now let's try writing something different. I am wondering what kind of expression will he give. Like, to a robbery. That is too schizophrenic. That's so adorable, yes, he would do that. That's so cute, yes. He would say this. He would definitely have an expression like this. Alright, now, another situation. What could be? Anyways, let's cry and see what he will say to us. It's so scary when AI knows your character better than you. Technology is fascinating and scary at the same time. I mean, this is cute, yes, but he wouldn't be that interested, I guess, I feel like. It's more like he wouldn't know what to do, so I'm gonna change it. No, 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 not a blanket. That is better, that is better. That is way too lovely. Now, I'm gonna do more example chats and I make him a little bit more silent, maybe. I mean, I wanted him to be lovely, but this is too much caring. Come to this area and write things here without chatting, like he is caring, but in a stressful situations. Giving random and unnecessary details to your character would make them feel more real. Now, I want him to be nervous. He's not nervous. Be nervous. That's a good expression. Please get nervous. Yes. Alright, that is way too accurate. I love it. I love it. Yep, now I'm gonna make him public because I'm really satisfied with the character. We can change it here. Public, anyone can chat, save it. And now when you refresh the page, he is here in public chat. Now anyone can chat with him.